Hey friends, so today we're going to be looking at four of the most popular smart bands on the market right now. These are from different Chinese companies from Huawei, Xiaomi, Oppo, as well as the Honor band. So we're going to be looking at them individually. I have individual videos for all of them, but we're going to be looking at them individually right now to see which one you guys would like and you guys would want to pick. This is the Huawei Band 6. So the Huawei Band 6 is really a beautiful device. It's definitely well built. The build quality is absolutely amazing. The charging feature, the attention to detail is one of the things that I enjoy most about the Huawei Band. The Huawei Band does have a lot of functions when you look at the application app. For example, we have the blood oxygen monitor. We also have the heart rate monitor. We have different workout modes. You can get up to about 69 workout mode with the Huawei band, which is absolutely wonderful when you talk about smart band. You also have your sleep tracking, you have your sleep stress tracking as well. We also have the breathing exercises. So that's one of the most amazing things about the Huawei band. So another thing about the Huawei band that I really love is the screen design. It really gives you an absolutely perfect aspect ratio. It looks quite big when you look at the device. When you wear it in your hands, it's more or less like an hybrid between the smartwatch and the smart band. Navigating through the Huawei band is pretty easy. Once you swipe to the side, you get different applications that you can use. When you swipe up, it takes you to your notifications. When you swipe down, it takes you to different widgets that you also use on your device. Once you click the button on the side, it also takes you to your application list. Like I said, this is absolutely one of my favorites. The Mi Band 6, on the other hand, does look like it has a smaller screen than that of the Huawei band or that of the Honor band, but it does have a bigger screen and a wider screen compared to the Oppo band. The colors are absolutely beautiful. It's an AMOLED display, which gives you absolutely wonderful colors. So navigating through the Mi Band 6 is also quite easy. You swipe up or down to go into your application list. So you have things like heart rate monitor, your blood oxygen monitor, your sleep tracking, also has notifications, workout modes. You can also add different workout modes on the Mi Band 6 as well as the Huawei Band and the Honor Band 6. So that is something that is absolutely amazing. With the new update to the Mi Band 6, you do have the ability to look at your sleep status on the Mi Band 6 itself without going through your phone. Like I said, navigation is pretty easy. You move to the side to switch between different applications. So none of these bands actually have inbuilt memories, so they do not support or they do not have the ability to store music into the system. Most of them have interchangeable bands. Like I'm using the Pikachu band right now. You can interchange the bands to whatever you like. So the Honor Band 6 is more or less like a copy or clone of the Huawei Band 6. They have the same build design. Their aspect ratios are exactly the same thing, and they have almost basically the same applications. Their swipe up functions are exactly the same. Swipe up for notifications, swipe down for the widget. You swipe to the side to go to the different applications on your device. You click the button on the side to go to most of the application list. You have your workout mode, the workout history, heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor. You also have activity tracking, sleep and stress monitoring systems, breathing exercises, your notifications. So those are some of the basic things that you have with the Honor Band 6. Well, the Honor Band 6, like I said, is more or less like the Huawei Band 6, but I do like the design and the colorway of the Huawei Band 6 compared to that of the Honor Band 6. So definitely by far the Oppo Band 6 is my least favorite of all the fitness bands or smart bands that I have. I just don't fancy the design, although the functionality is basically the same as the rest of them. You do have your workout modes, you have your heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, your sleep monitoring system, as well as other features on this device. Definitely is not something that I really like. The navigation is more similar to that of the Mi Band 6 than it is for the Huawei band or the Honor band. You swipe up or down to go to your applications list, and you swipe to the side to move towards different watch faces. That is one of the differences between this and the other smart bands. Instead of holding down to change the watch face, you just swipe from left to right to change the watch face and to get to the different widgets on the Oppo Band 6. So definitely on the Oppo Band, I mean, definitely if I want to recommend, I would recommend any one of the other three compared to the Oppo Band. I just think the Oppo Band is not worth it. So definitely my number one pick would be the Huawei Band followed by the Mate Band 6. Those are just my recommendation. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next one.